We've used the DuroShield coatings on numerous projects for emergency repairs, particularly if a hailstorm would come through. One of the biggest problems we have in a major hailstorm is there are many clients with serious problems that need instant help, and you simply can't get all the buildings roofed in time. So we have been able to go out and use coatings. One of my favorite examples of that is our local school system. I graduated, my son did, and we now have grandkids there. They got a serious hailstorm 4 years ago in June. The roof systems in place were 40 mil Duro-Last roofs we'd installed between 21 and 23 years previously. Part of the building we had just re-roofed a section of it, and that part went through with no damage whatsoever, the newer 50 mil material. The building was literally flooded out. Gym floors destroyed, classrooms flooded, computer equipment ruined, the library flooded, the entire complex. We were on the roof the next day with coating products and literally shut the roof down. It didn't leak at all after that. They were able to start internal repairs immediately, tearing things out, rebuilding. We were able to start roofing in a few weeks, worked it into our schedule in a normal fashion, and they started school on time that fall. And we were still there for about a month after school started, getting everything wrapped up. If it hadn't been for coating, I don't have any idea what could have been done, because there just wasn't a way to get a roof on quickly enough. Tim, you had an example or two of clients like that too.
We did. We had another school system who actually had their hail damage claim denied. And they didn't have the money to re-roof the building at the time. So we were able to coat the school, coat their elementary school, and get the water and the leaks shut off for 5 years while they tried to get ready for this. And they ended up in the end re-roofing the entire elementary and the entire high school. We were able to get them watertight and take care of them for that 5-year period using the DuroShield product. Right now, we currently have a client who is ended up in long negotiations with their insurance company from a claim that was back in March. It is currently December. We have used coating to do, and spot coating to do repairs to the building to keep the leaks at bay while they've been getting this figured out, because he simply didn't have the funds to get the roof taken care of immediately. We've also used in other situations where the roof was just too complicated or too big and could not get roofed quick enough to take care of the water. The acrylic coating works fantastic, but on some roofs we found that there's too much water in the system already, and that water tries to come back out. And in those cases, we found the silicone product does great to stop that water in the short run and get them watertight.
We frequently encounter clients that don't quite have the funds ready to do a roofing project, and their roof system is not completely shot. And at that point, we have often been able to go in and use coatings as a life extension on the current roofing system. One account we had here in Danville, Illinois, we'd worked with them for many years, simply due to hard times didn't have the funding to put a roof on, and told us they needed 5 years to put on another roof. And we were able to coat the roof with the silicone product, and we got them the 5 years that they needed, and then ultimately put on a new Duro-Last roof. So for life extension, emergency repair work, the coating products are an outstanding alternative to help keep the client dry, buy time, and get the process done, re-roofing process done in an orderly fashion.
We found the DuroShield coating to be an extremely high quality product. It's consistent, it goes down well, it adheres well, and we've had really good experience putting down both the acrylic and the silicone coatings for the appropriate situations.
As a contractor, we can select from a broad group of products. We have an immediate affinity for the Duro-Last coating product, DuroShield, because we've known Duro-Last for 34 years. They put quality into everything they do and stand behind it. And for that reason, we immediately began using the DuroShield rather than the other systems we were using, and found that they were actually better than the other products we had been previously using. Good product, good manufacturer, it's a very reliable system.
We've also found that using the DuroShield, when we're talking to a client and they're asking, is this product compatible with my current roof? It actually really helps to be able to tell them, not only is it compatible, it's coming from the same manufacturer from the roof that we put on, if it is a Duro-Last roof that we installed previously. That creates a lot of peace of mind when they know that we're extending the roof with a product that is not just approved by, but put out by the same manufacturer that they already worked with in the past.